Hey everyone, welcome back to Ayaz. Today we are diving into the world of Angular and learning how to create a module. If you have been struggling with this or just curious about multiple ways to do it, you are in the right place. So before we start, make sure you have the Angular CLI installed. If not, check out our previous videos on setting up Angular. First off, what is module in Angular? Think of it as a box where you can group related components, directives, pipes, and services. The most straightforward way to create a module is using the Angular CLI. So for that, let's go to our Angular project and open a new terminal in the root directory of your Angular project and type this command ng generate module my new module. Press enter and this would generate a new module for you along with its own folder in the app directory. You can also use this shorthand version as well. For example, ng gm, g for generate, m for module, and then you can give it a name. Press enter. You can see that new module has been created. So for those who like to do things manually, let's create a module from scratch. So for that, in the app directory, click on the new folder and give it a name, test module, and here you have to create a new file. It is not compulsory to have module because the name would already have the module in the file name. So you can just have test, and in the test I will create a new file, test.module.ts. okay, now we have to import ng module from Angular/core. okay, now let's add some lines of code ng module, and also we need to export a class test module, and here I will add declaration, imports, providers, and bootstrap. So remember to add your components, services, and other elements to the respective arrays that you can see here. So for example, you have a component. Let me generate a component ng generate c test using the flat flag. So if you don't want to generate a separate folder for your component, you can use the flat flag and press enter. In this way you will see the files of component in the same folder without a child folder. So now I have the test component, so you can declare your test component here. You can add more components, you can import other modules as well. So now as you have declared your component in this test module, you can easily import this test module in any other module and use it in the component of that module. So for example, I want to use the test module in here in the app module. You just open the module in the imports array. We have to import the test module like this, and now you can open the component of that module and add app test. In the suggestions I cannot see that component. The reason is that in the test module, if you have declared a component and you would like to use it outside of this component, then you would have to export it as well. So I will have to add export array as well, export the test component. So once that is done, you will be able to see the suggestions here like this. Okay, now if you reload it, you will see that the test component content is visible here. Now, why would you need multiple modules? Imagine you are building a large application. Modules help in lazy loading, feature encapsulation, and overall better code management. Once you have created your module, you will often need to import and use it in other parts of your application like we did in the app module. And that's it. You are now ready to create, manage, utilize modules in Angular like a pro. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop any question in the comments below and we will see you in the next video.